Hey everybody, we are at 239 Highgate. This property is so cute. I absolutely love it. And the location is great too. We are back in Henderson.
This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story home, just about 1,700 square feet.
Yes, and this property is $519,000, has vaulted ceilings, and we're going to show you all of this right now. We're going to jump right in. We're at 239 Highgate in Henderson. This property is $519,000. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it is a single-story property. It does have this 2-car garage here and a tree out front, and here is the neighborhood. It's a really nice, quiet neighborhood here. So here is the side of the house. And it has a gate back there. The front of the house has great landscaping. Very minimal to do here. And we're going to go right inside. So that house was fully remodeled. I absolutely love the bathrooms too, especially that master bath, so upgraded.
This home is newly renovated with upgraded flooring, baseboards, the cabinets, and countertops.
We are also centrally located. We're about maybe 15 minutes from the airport, and we have grocery stores all around here, which is great. Super convenient for you guys.
And the HOA is just $30, which includes a park.
So you're absolutely gonna love this. If you wanna know more about this property or anything else, our information's right here. You can call us, text us, email us, however you wanna get a hold of us. We are here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.